Welcome to Cash Cafe. In this episode, we will explore different ways to make money online. If you're looking for a side hustle or a new business idea, you may have thought about ways to make money online. Making money online is pretty straightforward. You can do it full-time or part-time, right from the comfort of your home. Who wouldn't want to work in their pajamas and pull in some extra cash? In this video, we explore different ways to make money online. In fact, making money online is an incredibly popular way to earn some extra income or even make a full-time living. According to Pew Research, approximately 1 in 6 Africans have earned money from online gig platforms, from freelance writing to setting up your own online store. There are plenty of legitimate ways to make money online. If you are wondering how to make cash online, it is important for you to stay away from get-rich-quick schemes. For example, there are some people who may recommend online business ideas that claim you can make money from home overnight. Even though there are lots of ways to earn money online, you need to keep your wits about you, as people who promise that you can make millions of dollars in just a few days are probably trying to take advantage of you. Instead, it is important to focus on legitimate ways to make money, such as social media content creation. Even though you do need to be careful as you are looking for ways to make passive income from home, there are plenty of amazing ideas out there. If you are wondering how to do it, you need to focus on what you are already good at. You have talents that a lot of other people would love to have, and you need to lean on them. If you would like to make money online, do not hesitate to try out a few ideas. And remember that there are people who are willing to help you put together a cohesive strategy that you can use to make money on your schedule from home with just a solid internet connection. There are a variety of ways that you can make money online. Here are a few. First up, freelance work. Freelance work is when you work for yourself and complete projects on a contract basis. Even if you take on a contract to work for a company, you are still self-employed. And there are plenty of freelance jobs online. In fact, there are plenty of freelance websites that list jobs. Be sure to check out Upwork. They are the world's largest freelance marketplace. Upwork offers a large volume of remote freelance jobs. You'll see listings for freelancers as web designers, project managers, writers, graphic designers, and other specialties. Over 15 million freelancers get their work from Upwork, and it's free to join. There are also over 2 million jobs for freelancers listed on Upwork. FlexJobs and Solid Gigs are also excellent sites for freelancers who are looking for work in general. You will not have to worry about any scam jobs at FlexJobs. They research the jobs very thoroughly and monitor everything very closely. You can find many niche jobs on FlexJobs. Time is always money, even for a freelancer. If you need work fast, check out Solid Gigs. They filter out all the jobs fast and then send you the best ones, thereby vetting the opportunities for you with Solid Gigs. You won't waste time scrolling through dozens of jobs listed. Next up, dropshipping. Dropshipping can be a simple and profitable business model. You don't have to pay for storing your inventory. Instead, you act as the go-between find suppliers online who will sell you products wholesale, then mark it up and earn a profit for yourself from computers and clothing to jewelry and health food. There are thousands of suppliers who can provide you with your inventory. When you do this, you will need to have a website or e-commerce storefront of your own to market and sell the products. Another idea is to take online surveys. Believe it or not, you can make money online by taking surveys. There are online survey websites where you can take a survey in your spare time and earn gift cards or cash. Just keep in mind that some paid survey sites are better than others. Branded surveys is one way to earn money online by taking surveys. It's also a favorite of many. They have a sign-up bonus competitions, a loyalty program, and competitive payouts. You can also create a blog. Blogs are a popular money-making tool because they are easy to create and offer many routes for monetization. If you have some knowledge on a subject, you could create an online course and sell your expertise to people who come to your blog. Or maybe you've got a blog that specializes in a particular topic. You could sell digital products related to that topic, like guides, templates, ebooks, and more, to folks that visit your blogs. As you can see, the options are endless. So what are you waiting for? Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button.